Zucchini flowers stuffed with ricotta and a few other cheeses, then battered and deep fried. I love them and they're really easy to make. So first of all, you need to get the freshest zucchini flowers you can get your hands on. Look how perfect these are. And you know it's a good quality zucchini flower because you can see the little zucchini on the bottom, not too many blemishes at all and nice and firm. And then the flower petals have kept their shape nicely. Now when preparing zucchini flowers, you want to take the stamen out. So you want to be very gentle with these petals and open it up and you'll see it sitting just there. So you just simply snap it off and twist. See how it just clicks off? And then they're ready to be stuffed. So for the stuffing, in a bowl, some gorgeous ricotta. I'm using ricotta delicata. It's got a wonderful creaminess to it. So a few generous spoonfuls of that into the bowl. And another variety of ricotta, but this one's a hard ricotta. It's called a salted ricotta. This one has also been smoked. It's got a beautiful flavour. Take it out of the pack and I've just got a box grater here and we're going to grate this on the coarse grater and we want about half a cup of this ricotta. It's not only smoky, but it's also got a really nice salty flavour to it. So be careful with the salt that you add to the mixture. That's plenty, and we'll add that to our delicata. And also we need some parmesan. So a generous spoonful of that can go in. Great. A few other flavourings that I always associate with stuffed flowers, lemon zest. So the zest of about half of this lemon can go in. Nice fine grate on that. And a pinch of nutmeg. And a very small pinch of salt because we do have all those cheeses in there. And then combine everything together. So you want to really work this so it's quite sticky because we do need to pipe this into the flour. So we don't want it to be too firm. Great, that's looking good. So now time to pipe this. I've got a disposable piping bag. And the best way when you're using a piping bag is just to fold it over and fold it all the way down. And use your hand almost as a cup. So just cup that in like so, and then it's much easier to scoop the mixture in. So scoop that in, pressing down, forcing it through, and fold it over, and then press that down. Now we are ready to pipe. So I'm just going to cut the end off our piping bag. Make sure it's not too wide. That is just right. And let's start piping. So you want to ensure that you don't pipe them too much so it overflows. Essentially, we're using those gorgeous petals as a blanket just to encapsulate that gorgeous ricotta mixture. So pipe that into the centre and 3/4 of the way up. Twist the flower petals over and then twist, and you'll see that is going to hold nicely. So I'm going to make a few more of these and then we'll get onto the batter. Okay, zucchini flowers are stuffed, so let's coat them in a very simple batter. So 1 egg white, a small pinch of salt, and we're going to whisk this just so it starts to become a little frothy. So you don't want it to be stiff peaks, you just want to loosen it up. Happy with that. And then in the second bowl, I have some rice flour. I like to use rice flour because it goes really crispy, and some tapioca flour. So let's mix that together and just with a fork, combine that. And we want to start a bit of a production line. So have everything ready to go. We've got our flour, our egg, and our flowers. I've got some oil here. Now this is extra virgin olive oil and I've heated it up to 180 degrees. So we'll start with one into our egg white mixture, just coating everything. Be really delicate with it so the flour doesn't break off from our zucchini. And then into our tapioca and rice flour mixture, coating that, and now carefully lower it into that hot extra virgin olive oil. Oh, look at that. Now you want to do this in batches so we don't overfill the pan, and also want to keep that heat on them so they go really crispy on the outside. Well, aren't they just the prettiest thing? They're crispy. I'm going to place them onto just a bit of baking paper for presentation. And I just like to just drop them all over the plate, spread them out, and to garnish some more lemon. So I'm actually just going to cut this into really thin rounds. We just want the essence of this lemon. You can just put wedges on the side too. Again, this is for presentation. I think it looks quite pretty. And I love just the slightest amount of chilli. So nice thin slices. Fantastic. That pop of red over the top. That is a beautiful little starter. The best thing about these is the crunchiness on the outside and all that beautiful fluffy cheese in the center. I'm going to take this one right here, have a little bite. That is so good. I can taste that smoked ricotta salata, the fluffiness of the ricotta delicata. That is just a little bundle of joy right there.